Hello, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use the 7.7 by 12.5-inch MaggieFrame to hoop the thick garment. This is the normal jacket we are going to embroider on. Because the embroidery design area is less than 5.7 by 10.5 inch, so we choose the 7.7 by 12.5-inch MaggieFrame. In order to help you understand better about how to use the MaggieFrame, we already printed the paper and already positioned the paper on the requested embroidery design place. Now we start to do the hooping process. The first step, we remove the bottom frame of the MaggieFrame and put it inside the jacket. And we place the backing between the middle of the jacket and the bottom frame. The second step, we use our finger to trace the inside edge of the bottom frame and we'll adjust the position of the frame until we confirm the embroidery area is on the center position inside the bottom frame. The third step, we use the upper frame, which has steel brackets on it to connect the bottom frame through strong magnetic power. It's very simple and convenient. Let's take a look at the side of the backing. It's clamped tightly and smoothly. So the embroidered pattern will be perfect. Then we load the jacket on the embroidery machine and start to do the embroidery. We can also use the HoopTalent combined with the MaggieFrame to do the hooping of the jacket. This is very productive for the mass production. Let me show you. This is the HoopTalent. If we will do the same embroidery design for 50 jackets. So for the first jacket, we need to mark the embroidery design position. I take the paper as embroidery design area and position it on the requested place on the back of the jacket. The first step, we put the jacket on the main station and place it straight and centered. The second step, we place the bottom MaggieFrame on the main station and under the jacket. And we adjust the position of the bottom frame to be sure the embroidery design area is on the center place inside the bottom frame. Then we take the jacket away and we will see the inside edge of the bottom frame is upper the letter K. This letter helps us remember the position of the bottom frame. The third step, we use the position of the bottom frame help us find the position of lower universal fixture. And we use the two pins to position the lower universal fixture. As we see, the edge of the bottom frame is still upper, the letter K. And the lower fixture will hold the bottom MaggieFrame. We use the bottom frame to confirm the position of the upper frame and fix it on the main station. Now we complete the setting of the universal fixture on the main station. The fourth step, we place the backing on the bottom frame. Hold the backing by the black plates on the universal fixture. Then we put the jacket onto the station. And we need to remember the position of the jackets, the edge here on the station. So the second jacket and all the following jackets will place it on the main station, the same position. And use the upper frame, which has a steel bracket on it, and clamp it together with the bottom frame by strong magnetic power. And then take the jacket off from the main station. Now the hooping process is complete. Let me check the backing. you will see it's very tightened and smooth. Then we load the jacket on the embroidery machine and start to do the embroidery. In the mass production, when we use the HoopTalent hooping station together with the MaggieFrame, the setting of the fixture may take 3 or 5 minutes to finish the hooping of the first jacket. But the second jacket, it just takes maybe 20 seconds to finish the hooping process. So as you see, using HoopTalent is very effective for the repeatable positioning in the mass production. It's simple and fast. If you like my video or if you want to know more about the skills or experience of MaggieFrame or HoopTalent hooping station, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for your watching. See you next video.